All right, everybody, Bryce here, coming at you with yet another real quick crypto market update. Now, it's no secret that things have been pretty volatile here in the crypto markets, up and down, right? Volatility moves and cuts in both directions. And primarily, they're the two main pieces of news that I was looking at that was really moving markets today came actually out of the two of the largest crypto exchanges globally, Binance as well as FTX. And so one interesting thing that happened was that Binance, they have a smart contract chain that's kind of like a competitor to Ethereum. Okay, they have their own version of it. Now, somehow, a hacker hacked $100 million out of this platform. And Binance is in the process of recuperating those funds, but it caused the market to be really volatile because suddenly there was $100 million out there that could have been dumped on the market. So the Binance token dumped super fast, super quickly. We were reporting on it immediately. But since then, it's recovered because Binance came out with some plans to make everything right and recover the funds. So it was interesting to see that occur. But again, it just goes to show that risks in crypto are still high, right? This is still a new market, but risk and reward are two different sides of the same coin. So without high risk, you can't have high reward. But it's good to see that they're recovering, and not a lot of people should have been hurt from that one. But it was a big scare for the industry. It's pretty rare that you see a hack that's in the hundreds of millions of dollars. Of course, there's been about a dozen of them or so, but a dozen out of 12 or 13 years of crypto history is still pretty rare. So the other thing on the good side, a good story that kind of evolved this morning was that FTX just announced a huge partnership with Visa. Okay, huge partnership. Now, what this partnership will allow people all around the world who are FTX users, it will allow them to use Visa cards that withdraw from their FTX account. So essentially having a Visa card linked up to your FTX account. Now, this is going to be released in 40 countries and should be another hallmark of retail adoption, another hallmark of bringing crypto to the masses, making it more usable, making it spread further and wider. And FTX themselves are on a tremendous buying frenzy, as well as a tremendous, buying. I mean, they're acquiring other distressed companies throughout this bear market, and they're getting a lot of partnerships under their belt. So a lot of exciting things. Visa, they're like one of the biggest names in finance. The fact that they're partnering with the crypto company, another stamp of approval for our industry that we know and that we love. And at the end of the day, what does all this mean? Why should you care? Well, because all of this adoption, all of the kinks being worked out here on the hacking side and all the new partnerships on the Visa side, right? That just goes to show that our industry is being refined, right? Our industry is being battle tested. And there's a lot of things to look forward to. There's a lot of potential upside here as things get momentum going forward. And that's why I'm constantly on the lookout for the best cryptos and the best opportunities, because I'm extremely bullish on this entire market. So that was your market update, guys. Now, if that was interesting, and there's a lot more where that came from, by the way, you can join our private group where we post fundamental analysis of the coins that we like best, technical analysis, we give market reports and updates and all that stuff, newsletters. Guys, what you should do is click that big orange button below, and for just $1, you can get a 2-week trial, okay? 2-week trial, you can come and see everything that we're doing here in Crypt Nation, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna find yourself falling in love with all of our market insights in videos. So with that being said, we'll see you inside. Again, click that button below. $1, 2 weeks. That's a trial. Love it. See you guys soon.